here at Galaxy's Edge in Disneyland during the pandemic. We are both vaccinated. Can't speak for all of these people though.
I'm gonna have to go home and wash myself in bleach.
Trams are not running during the pandemic, so be prepared for a lot of walking. You gotta walk from the parking garage all the way to the park and back at the end of the night. So if your dogs are barking, they're gonna be howling by the end of the night.
If we're not eating or drinking, we have those face coverings on.
Okay.
We're drinking water.
Just hold it in your hand then, and just if
Sure.
it exists, put it back up.
Sure.
Thank you.
So they didn't enforce that at all when we needed them to, but when no one was around. But when no one was around.
Literally no one's around us.
Yeah.
No, nothing.
I mean, there's literally no one, and the only people are the people behind us. That's it. So the most unique issue that is something I would never have considered. The lines are all outside now because of the pandemic, obviously, but that doesn't give your eyes time to adjust to the darkness. So when you're going on Pirates of the Caribbean or Haunted Mansion, you're in the sunlight until you go on the ride. Eyes can't adjust to how dark it is. Usually during the line, your eyes are adjusting to that. Now it's like you're being just thrown right into the ride. The good things though, the main reason we wanted to come was because Rise of Resistance had just opened, I guess about 2 months maybe, or a few months before the pandemic, and I had been avoiding all information and all spoilers about it. All I knew is that you needed to make a reservation at either 7 a.m. or 12 noon on the Disney app. We got it. We're ready to go. So we got on that, and that was very cool. Oh my god! That was the main thing that we were coming for in general. I built a lightsaber last time I was here. I cried, whatever.
Cry about everything.
We had a decent amount of rides today. We started the day with Rise of the Resistance. Where's the Rise of the Resistance ride? Oh, okay. This is the way. Then we did the Millennium Falcon ride. Made the jump to light speed. That's me! Oh man, I've always wanted to do that. I got to be pilot this time because when I came here pre-pandemic, they gave the pilot to some little 6-year-old kid. I was like, I've been a Star Wars fan longer than this kid anyway. I don't know why they're letting him do it.
Probably doesn't even know what light speed is.
Right, exactly. And then what did we do after that?
Pirates? Was it Pirates of the Caribbean?
Yes. And then Haunted Mansion, we got in like 15 minutes.
Yeah, it was super quick. And then after that, we went to
California
Adventures. And then we went on the Incredicoaster.
Yes, Incredicoaster. And then we did the Cars ride. You're going down!
That was a long wait.
Cars ride's like always the longest wait. It was like only an hour when we went, but we saw it get to like 90 minutes today. After that, we did the Little Mermaid. And then we had another reservation back here in Disneyland for Indiana Jones.
Yeah, that was really fun.
We wanted to do like Monsters Inc. and some other stuff and like Guardians of the Galaxy, but everything's like 45 minutes right now, and honestly, we're just hungry. So.
And our feet are dead.
Our feet are beat, dude. My dogs are barking.
Woo, woo, woo. Where my dogs at?
It's just exhausting. We've had this on the entire day. We took it off for a minute and someone told us to stop. Even though we're not moving around the park, no one's around us. We were told put it back on. This is the first time. This is the first mass break we've taken like the entire day because we haven't eaten anything. I wish we had seen more of that elsewhere in the park.
Instead of policing
like I don't even mind them doing
it.
that to us. It's just like, where were you when we needed you? I wish I could put my fist through this whole lousy, beautiful town. We haven't done too much outside of this. This was like one of our first big
things,
big outings in over a year. We felt that we should treat ourselves, and if you've been good, if you've been behaving, maybe you do too. So consider coming to Disneyland and bring snacks, bring your own food. I'll try spinning. That's a good trick.
Thanks for watching.
On second thought, we're gonna do one more ride.
Oh boo, we gotta get you home.